4. Find, test, isolate, and treat every case and trace every contact.
When will this pandemic end? Well, it's a question everyone seems to be asking, but nobody has the accurate answer to. Welcome to Epic Earth, and in this video, we will be revisiting the past to see how the previous pandemics ended and also discuss the possibilities how the COVID-19 will finally end. From the past experiences, it is clear that the pandemics can end in 3 different ways: medically, socially, or naturally. A pandemic can end medically when a reliable vaccine or medication is achieved. Smallpox is one of the diseases which has ended medically. We have an effective vaccine for the same which can protect us for our entire life. There is no known carrier for the variola virus which causes smallpox, which meant that eliminating it from the humans will completely end it. Also, the symptoms were quite evident and hence the infected person can be kept in quarantine. Due to low number of cases, it may not seem dangerous now, but during the 20th century, it is estimated that smallpox was responsible for 300 to 500 million deaths. The disease killed nearly 30% of the infected people. The patients developed fever with rashes on the body, which developed pus over time. The last naturally occurring case of indigenous smallpox, variola minor, was diagnosed in Ali Mau Malan, a hospital cook in Merka, Somalia, on 26 October 1977. Now let's talk about the forgotten flu, also known as the Spanish flu pandemic, that ended both socially and naturally. Caused by the H1N1 influenza A virus, an estimated 100 million people died and nearly 500 million people were infected. Although the pandemic didn't start from Spain, it was named as Spanish flu as during World War I the media was censored and hence the flu wasn't captured by any fighting country except Spain, which was neutral. Most pandemics target either the old or the kids, but during the Spanish flu, a large number of youth also died. It triggered something known as cytokine storm, in which the immune system of the body goes into overdrive, which can potentially overwhelm the body and kill a human. The patients developed high fever with coughing, and sometimes even blood came from their mouth. After ravaging through the world, the virus mutated into a more common form, and the flu faded, turning into a more seasonal flu form. Also, after the World War, the people wanted to leave all the miseries behind and hence didn't care about the pandemic, and as a result, the pandemic was also wiped out socially. The bubonic plague is another example of disease which might have ended naturally, though there are some differing opinions. Some say the disease-carrying fleas which lived on the rats didn't survive the cold weather, while others say the bacterium evolved into a less deadly form. It is one of the deadliest pandemics in the human history and killed almost 25 million people, wiping out the 1/3 of European population. We are definitely moving towards the social end of this pandemic. The people seem to be sick and tired of the restrictions and want to return back to their normal life. The pandemic has taken a mental toll on the people, and the fear is now being replaced by frustration. Also, the economic aspect, like falling economy and people losing their jobs, are forcing the people to return back to normal. The government around the world have already started to relax the lockdown restrictions. Sporting events are also slowly returning back. The German Bundesliga has also started behind the closed door, and other major events like the NBA and English Premier League etc. are planning to return. However, the pandemic will not completely end until it ends naturally, with the virus transforming into a more common flu virus, or until we have a medical end to it. The vaccines are still in process, and with the virus mutating, a reliable one is quite far away. It is going to be a long and difficult fight before humanity can declare itself free from COVID-19. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. If you want a top 10 video on any topic, please write it in the comment box.